Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about 3 data roles that you might not be aware about, but it's good for you to know. Now, throughout my career and experience within the data management and data governance domains, I always encounter interesting data roles and responsibilities. Is there a lot of overlap? Definitely. That's why in general, I think it's more important to focus on the meaning of the roles, their responsibilities, than the name themselves. Let me also give you a tip. It's usually easier for people to agree on the meaning rather than to agree on the name of a role. Maybe that's why we see a lot of synonyms such as data caretaker rather than data steward, or a data quality coordinator, data quality specialist, analyst, and let's not even mention the entire senior and associate appends to some of these titles. That being said, let's go over the following 3 surprising data roles you should know about. The first one that comes to mind is the data savvy manager. This one comes straight from the data value map. The role has a good understanding of how data impacts on their business and is able to define and guide the data initiatives across all 4 stages: the acquisition, integration, analysis, and delivery, in order to, of course, improve business performance. So this position understands the creative ways that data can be captured, analyzed, as well as disseminated. It helps to integrate the data to create new insights, as well as creates robust data models and systems that deliver the needed business outcomes. And lastly, it mitigates the risks around the legal, ethical, and privacy considerations. The second role is the data influencer, or data evangelizer. This role is kind of considered the right arm of the Chief Data Officer, the CDO. This role is responsible for spreading the importance of data within an organization, as well as the adoption of data management and data governance best practices. That's my kind of role. The responsibilities include developing and executing a change management program that covers all of these data management, data governance areas. The role also encompasses carrying out communications to all business and data stakeholders regarding data tasks, projects, programs, all data related, as well as consulting with stakeholders on current and future initiatives which require at least one aspect of data acquisition, creation, integration, maintenance, and dissemination. It's also conducting impact analysis, assessing change readiness, and identifying key data stakeholders. Lastly, it's providing input, as well as documenting the requirements and supporting the design and delivery of data management training programs. And the last data role that you should know about, the data facilitator. It's also called the data coach. This role guides stakeholders in data transformed decision making. Data facilitators may also establish and participate in stewardship teams, as well as helping stakeholders to properly interpret organization data. They can also help craft the overall vision for data use. They also help provide a level of guidance and support for stakeholders in order to improve their data literacy, something that I think we all need as data citizens. They model data use and interpretation, and they also help staff with data interpretation by preparing reports, data reports, and related material. What other surprising data roles do you have in your organization? What other data roles have you found out about that you like to share? How do they differ from the more classical and standard data roles? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, like the video if you liked any of these roles, and please click the subscribe and bell buttons, as it would really help me out. Thank you.